Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We are in the beautiful Karangahake Gorge and we have an amazing build for you today. Sean, welcome aboard.
Hey Jace, how's it going?
What do we got going on here?
So as you said before, we've got an awesome shed house build just going on at the moment. We've actually a kit set client of ours, so we supplied the structure and we've got a build crew coming in here just to finish it off. So Claude Construction, Jace, how did the relationship get involved?
All right, Jed Claude, he's a bit of a legend on the Hauraki Plains in the Thames Valley in the building game. Now we actually supplied him a kit set for him to build his own shed house in Turoa a few years ago. He came to me a couple of years back, or a year back anyway, with a client and said, hey look, they're looking to build a shed house, can we get a portal frame and we'll build a timber house on the inside? And I'm like, sure, of course we can, Jed, but we actually have a better system these days that we're using for the shed houses, and we're going to do it all out of steel, internal walls, external. He was like, really? I've only ever built with timber. But I got him over the line and the builders have been pumped with it, and we've got an amazing result on the inside here. And so the clients worked through, they wanted something real special, and I think these guys are really achieving it. So it's awesome to work with great builders because we can supply the design, the engineering and the kit set, and their crew, they do it all. Concrete, slabs, all of the shell, everything's handled by that crew. So why don't we pop inside and have a look what's going on?
I reckon we do. Firstly, we'll just jump through these big roller doors. So these are just 3 meters high by 3 meters wide, ebony roller doors. Matches in with the ebony T-rib that they currently just got here on the walls. There will be a few more finishing flashings to come on these as well before it's all complete. But don't worry, we'll be back when it's finished.
So these are Garra doors and we've got them wind locked. This is an extremely high wind zone this whole building's been designed for. So yeah, we've got a wind locks on these roller doors. I wanted to shout out that front door. I love that design choice from the clients. It looks fantastic.
If you're coming on here, you can see this is the shed part of the house. So this is just our classic portal frame. You guys have seen it a lot before. Like we say, strength by design here. New Zealand steel, we love it. All New Zealand made, and obviously going to stand the test of times. This is not going to fall over. High wind zone here in the Karangahake Gorge, but yeah, engineered to be the best shed house we can do.
So we're flicking over here, and as you can see, we've got the portal frame technology for the shed. Then we roll on and we've got the entire habitable frame throughout here with Steehaus. So we worked in a lot with Steve, Christian and Michaela from Steehaus. Got the design right, NCE engineers, Dylan, they put it together and locked the frame together. So let's come on through and just check out what's going on in here. Here we go, we've got bathrooms, water closets, toilets on one side, then we've got bedrooms all the way down one side of the house. Now all of the frames got stood within, I believe, 1 day they took to do all these frames here. So it was awesome. You'd notice next door you got a timber framed house going up, that's awesome. But that's soaking wet in winter, so you've got to wait for that to dry out before you can get on to cladding and doing all of this. This is good to go straight away. Come on through here. Sean, what have we got going on in this huge space here?
So just behind you and me right now is going to be one of their awesome kitchens. So kitchen up against here. Who wouldn't want to just cook looking out this nice window out onto the ranges? It's quite a beautiful place to be frying up a feed for your family, isn't it?
I think so. I'm looking forward to seeing where they deck or they pave out the front. You've got 2 massive bifold doors. You've got the sliding window to pass it out. You've even got this bifold going back into the man cave there. One of the things you'd see is this is the middle of winter. It's warm as in here. You've got insulation all through it. It's great. It's quiet as. It's just such a wonderful spot. There's a bit of envy going on once again. I very much want to take all these sheds home.
What I absolutely love is it's quite a big space as well. So it's going to be such an awesome living area for these guys to, just do their thing. Obviously a lot of room for activities, a lot of room for just looking after your family and your loved ones. So,
yeah, that's it. It's a young family, got some kids, massive master bedroom, got their own ensuite, got the full design. Look, Claude Construction's done an amazing job. We're proud to partner with them to be able to provide these materials for what they needed for the structure and the cladding of the build. I think it's great and it's going to be able to go on. So hey, if you're keen on a shed house, talk to your local builder, they can get in touch with us, or talk to us direct and we'll be able to build it for you. Either way, have a great day.
We'll see you again soon.